loudspeaker there.
Hello? Okay. That's what
My ma.
So I do okay.
Yes.
I saw a live video.
Oh, you are live.
Okay. Sharon, you know, it's oh, you need dog man that's an option. So
where good sister, man? Why out
Okay,
good. Right on.
So, the matter na sunu, what beer, or they okay. You also wave viva,
please share this video.
And matter where our hospital area also one.
Yeah, we use pidgin English. Pidgin English. Not everybody here be
okay. Sharon don't born, then they don't discharge her from hospital, then she go house.
Yeah.
Then after 2 days, she call a feel headache, then she come by herself, go hospital. So when she reach hospital, they can't treat her, they can't say me she go house, go take Takaperina. I don't know whether people understand Takaperina because I tell you, you understand? That is blessed, saying that this all those headache medicine, you understand?
Yeah.
Like paracetamol and all those things, person get belly, if you really bad, never they take.
Yeah.
Then let's take go house. So as she reach has the same thing, let's the cocoa her blood for her.
Yeah.
So now them can no reach.
Okay.
Then the day when she get hospital, she died. As she died, so person day when call you a power investor. So we don't know who call.
Yeah.
She died and a truth. She died. She can't regain herself. Then they can't put her for coma. You understand? Then me call for your live video. Say Sharon not back. She did coma.
Okay.
Yes. I can't call for the live stream where you do.
Yeah, I
can't tell you say Sharon not back. She did coma. You understand?
Yeah.
So when everybody they talk and now this girl Faustina, Sharon friend from the Nigeria now. So the way that one country they insult you, say now you this, that and that.
Yeah.
Her mother, she know they okay. She can't use her say now her mother because they be friends. Do you understand? The only thing when I want to talk for here, I beg, say a no gay. Justice for Sharon with the family. The only thing where we they pray, anybody will get out for Sharon death, it's left for her or it's left for him. You understand?
Yeah.
We don't need any justice. Now only God need justice for everybody. See this one they say now this woman what it be whether now Saburo na this one, this that. Then I can't even call this man I call him. When I call him I can't tell him say Sharon never cry. Sharon not cry. Sharon they call my call him. Now me call him call him. I say Sharon not cry. Sharon they coma. You understand?
Yeah.
Now me I call her. I say Sharon not cry. They coma. She they coma. You understand? Then when she call back, now I go say Jesus. Sharon not cry. My presence now. You understand? Even is everybody. Then they're going to say easy, he call you. Not going to say, that's all you talk for social media, say easy, call you. The day where it happened, where easy call a daughter call, I got to make a ask a question. The crowd was too much. I can't ask many people. They got us in a shoot. Okay. So the one where they call they use and say send allegation, say maybe all of them they do saga, they call say now you not cry Sharon. Now only God now you know. I beg. The only thing when I want to talk, may we pray for Sharon for our soul rest in peace. Now how we want to put her for granted. Now we just did. How we want to take good care of the children. Now we did. When I know for this Europe, one person don't buy social, they'll call entire side.
Yeah.
Now that one, now we did, and we see the issue lawyer. Anything when lawyer tell us. Now we they do for now. Okay. If they want to bury Sharon, as she sit there inside hospital, they never put her for where for they do all those things.
Ah.
Maybe God just
So no worry, God can still do, since the mortuary, God can still do his work. I know so nobody said to you.
Ah. You know, say Sharon are your friend. I know now your friend, you know. I beg the only thing when I want to tell you, anything when people they talk on social media. You understand? No, don't forget anything. Now you fire. If you know, say, now you fire. It's left for you. Yeah. If you know, say, not be you fire, it's left for people where they talk as they go.
Exactly.
You know, be say, saga, say, this one 830, this one 830. But not because of that one, you put us, say, this one, the other type, but there's no show. Not be show. I beg. Let everybody now.
Okay, ni ake oni amu eni ya. Don't tell you the one square many, but saluba ve mako ni ai.
Now only God that go play the witness. Who have not come out, the people will call you, brother. When you try, if you know that person where you say that day wait, that where she back, we know say she back. Who call you that day, brother? Who call you for that day when she back?
Me have no basini. Me have me.
That's why we should see the number. You for your screenshot for us. Then we go find out for radio for them. We're gonna 3 guests. Let's go there 3. Our friend. You also see the number. We go find out.
Okay.
We go find the number. Even when I would talk, or say Sharon, Enoki, or whoever, no, for now, no, that thing, no, those kind of thing, no, your feet talk for now.
Yeah.
You understand? I to say, I even Jeanette say, no, you friend, nah. And I said, be there, no, man, so the secret of pregnant there.
Meguwari Italia, Italy, Media. Iwe Meguwaro do aveti me, veni aveti manike. Eva post. Eva post ene me veti posti. Thank you. Elive ya tare Facebook imae. Imae.
Say you dey pass. I wish you see no any mistake when you make. You end up for your farm wella.
When no he ogo nivo as far away actress post ene even so why everything and me na wa yayi. I don't know you now. I know you.
No, that's video now. And you don't know anything about all those things. So you want carry you now anybody.
My sister, before hello, Otesharon Eguyo. Okay.
I got one lady when they Italy, yeah. I go tell her, say, all those things not be your hand. They say, now you send me. I know you are. How you want to send me? The only person when I call her be a pal, meanwhile. I call her, I explain to him. Sorry. I explain to him. So it could come my culture because me and a pal, they first to get issue, which they don't say to her. You understand? But I call her, I say, a pal, see. He not lie, but he not lie again. Go to prayer.
Many people wait. If I'm not saying I'm if I'm not having to me where Oriagu Reni before Kedogu, now I'm not having to bury. You see, huh? I was in the when I don't say the other channel. I was in and when love you. I was in and when love because other people don't post time already. Even if you post there. Before me do post. This woman wait there Austria. He and Sharon are friends. This woman wait there Austria. What's their name? This woman wait there Austria. What's their name? Ivy. He and Sharon are friends. Okay. I know. She know. This woman wait there Austria. He and Sharon. He and Sharon, they be friends. She know. When the day when she back that day, she know. That's the color. Okay, Berry. So, Berry, you have it here, not me. So the problem is that Iana no do attend Nana. They not get with them. Oh, he forgetting it. As far where when the family are going to clear the air, he forgetting it.
No, not be you.
Okay.
Not be
Two.
you. No, not be you.
Cool. Yeah, wait,
Anybody when still talk say na you, if you don't do the necessary thing, we will still come out, talk for any platform.
Okay.
Let me still talk.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So for now, I beg if you and the social people where they do all those things, I don't know. May they just forget it. But everything Ojuju swear this one, justice for this, justice for Sharon. When they do drama, nobody they say justice for Sharon to promote a movie. Nobody like that. I beg Nuna. She lived 3J, 2 picking.
There's only one mama get, not truth.
No, be only one now. Permanent Siriona. Oh, permanent boy. She not get 2 children now mother get. You understand?
Okay, yeah, vacant can you.
Yeah, that's a beer. Is your muyari? In my ear, I hear my eye here. Is your online with one up to me out there a weapon? I do that. Oh, Pame, oh, Pime, the priest, oh, in the air, as in we, oh, in the dog, there is Sharon, a no essay. Oh, the noise of our Westy. So we need allow justice. My family going to have justice. Well, now, one of my Sharon. Understand? So now only God, that no one. I beg now.
Please, guys, share this video.
Interest where I don't know women are carried this saga last time. Saga where I have the monarch before all those kind of things. Now let you go to get money. No, everybody we are one. I'm your manager.
Yes.
I so rest in peace.
We'll
forget. And if you really have it, I'm not affected with saga. Why till you met together and work corporates?
Okay.
We are promoting family. Have a coaches in the Basel in Nigeria.
Okay, United in the Ghana. Adamio. Bagbo for membana yawe marriage. Bagbo for membana. Bagbo for membana. When ya saga, let's say. He is zetting. So they are not imagine like Anakina Mafi women is a meme now. Or like so now they are not looking for anything at all. Ni meririu e mawega we ni mi lad. E bo gbani ati omozwo. Ogbe oga amo no to no de. Ona ari Turkey. O ma lad. But uma we Frank omozwo ni wete ni umenwasi. Eri me ati e. You understand? This okay. Where in Atime? Where in Atime?
Frank Victor.
We Atime. Mo ewi na le gan Atime. You understand? So we are so e worry ma. We worry. If we don't talk Sharon, we are here ma.
Okay,
Alright, Omana. Alright, now no problem. Alright.
Alright.
Where's your t-shirt?